Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into the best grocery deals for this week. Y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into them. So I'm going to get started with a couple one-day only deals. These are two deals that are going to be for my half BOGO people that are going to be Wednesday only, because the coupons that we are going to be using do expire today, which is Wednesday. So let's get those out the way first. So first one day only deal we're grabbing is on the right smoked sausage. This is right in time for the holiday. These are going to be $5 each on sale, but we do have this $2.50 coupon that expires today that'll make one pack of these just $2.50, and these are actually pretty good. This is the $2.50 coupon that expires today that we're going to be using. Now for this, the cheapest thing to do is get two of the party size Lay's products that are buy one get one for $5.99. I am not going to do that. That's an example of them right here. So these are those party size Lay's. I got enough of the Lay's last week, so I'm actually going to grab some Ruffles and some Doritos. These party size bags are more expensive. They're buy one get one for $7.29. So I'm going to pick up two of these, and I'm going to use this $2.50 digital coupon. So my final price for these two is going to be $4.79 for both of them, or $2.39 per bag. But if you were to pick up the Lay's, these would just be $1.75 per bag, or $3.50 for both. The Cleveland Kitchen products are buy one get one for $5.99. We have some new varieties of pickles. So they have the dill pickle chips like they normally have, but they also have these kimchi pickle chips now that are buy one get one for $5.99 as well. And over on Merrifield, we have $1.50 back on each one. So you'll pick up two and then get a total of $3 back, making these only $1.50 each. Next up, we have a good deal on cabbage shredded cheese. So these are buy one get one for $4.99. Now over on Ibotta, we do have this $1 rebate, but it's only good on one bag, and it's only good on select varieties. Like, I'm really interested in picking up this Gouda cheese, but it is not included in the rebate. So make sure that you grab one like these right here that are actually included in the rebate if you're going to pick up more than one bag. If you're in half BOGO, can just pick up one bag for $2.50. It'll be $1.50 for the one bag. If you are in true BOGO, or you're going to do like me and pick up two bags, your final cost will be $1.99 per bag. My store is not tagged, but these Harvest Snaps are buy one get one this week. And on select flavors, make sure you check the flavors. We do have two different Ibotta rebates, one for the crunchy loops and then one for the snaps. That'll give you $1 back on each bag, making these only 49 cents. We have a good deal on Cheerios this week, especially if you grab these multi-grain or the plain Cheerios that are buy one get one for $6.49. So when you pick up two of these for $6.49, you want to use your $1 digital coupon. That'll bring it down to $5.49. And we also have $1 back on Ibotta. That'll bring it down to $4.49 for two boxes. And we also have $1.50 back on Fetch Rewards for Cheerios. That'll bring it down to $3 for two boxes, or $1.50 each. The checks that are buy one get one for $5.99. Now for this, our Fetch rebate will not apply because it's for Cheerios only. But I do have these silly coupons that I want to use before they expire, that expire at the end of the month. So with those two coupons, I'm going to end up paying $3.99 for two at the register. Then I'll get back the $1 from Ibotta. It'll still be $1.50 per box. And then as another option, you could also grab the Nature Valley granola. So our Ibotta rebates do attach the granola along with our digital coupon. The Nutrail is also on clearance. These are $3.99, so they're half price as well. We still have that BOGO offer if you have not used it, so that'll make these $1.99 per bag. These Bobos PB&J are on clearance at my store, so they're half price, so they're $2.84. We don't have much back on Ibotta. We have 10 cents back, so it'll make it $2.74 for the pack, but considering they're normally $5.69, not bad. Next good deal we have is on Bush beans, and you can grab pretty much any variety. These are on sale 2 for $5 right in time for the holidays, so $2.50 each. And then over on Ibotta, we do have 75 cents back on each can. So that'll make final cost for these big cans just $1.75 each, which is a good discount from the regular price of $2.99. We have an easy freebie on Fetch Rewards for this Kraft Mac and Cheese Restaurant Edition. I don't think I want this flavor, so I don't think I'm going to keep this item, but I do want to show it to you guys because they have some other flavors that look a little bit better to me. So these are $3.99 regular price, but we have $4 back on Fetch Rewards right now, so that'll make this free after Fetch points. We had a really good deal on the Nature's Own protein plus wheat products. So I wanted to grab the buns, but I'm going to have to grab the loaves of bread because the buns are also included. We got the same offer on the hamburger buns and the hot dog buns. But I'm going to go ahead and grab the bread. That's $7.59, buy one, get one, because we have two different offers. So we're going to pick up two because over on Ibotta, we have $1.50 back on each one. And over on Fetch Rewards, we also have $1.50 back on each one. So with both of these offers, we are going to get back a total of $6, making it just 79 cents per loaf. If you didn't get enough of the Black Forest last week, which I think we did get a lot of it, these are back on sale this week. So I grabbed probably like 15, 20 bags for free last week. These will not be free, but I think I'm actually going to get a couple bags of these because these are different flavors from the traditional flavors that we got last week. And I told y'all, these are my son's favorite. These are watermelon, grape, mango, raspberry, and these are the 8-ounce bags. So they're buy one and get one for $5.99. And then over on Ibotta, we do have $1.75 back on each bag. So that'll make final cost $2.49 for 2 bags, or like $1.25 per bag. If you need Nilla wafers, we have a 50-cent rebate back on 2 boxes on Ibotta. You get $5 for 2 boxes or $2.50 per box since they're buy one, get one. We have a great price on these Lipton tea 12 packs. If this is a drink you like, this is a stock up time. So these are buy one, get one for $7.99. You want to pick up 4 because we have this 3 off of 4 digital coupon. So when you pick up 4 and use this coupon, your final cost for 4 packs will be $12.98 or just $3.24 per pack, which is a great price. Next thing we're grabbing is on the Ocean Spray. So these are buy one, get one for $3.79 this week. And over on Ibotta, we have $1.75 back on 2. So that's going to make final cost on these just $2.02 for 2 bottles, or about $1 each. Now, not a coupon deal, but the watermelon is buy one, get one this week. I love when they have this. So if you want to pick up some watermelon, you can get it for half price this week. Oh, Springer Mountain Farms has chicken burgers now. That's really neat because I usually use mine to make burgers. So this saves some time. So these are now $3.99 on sale. We still have our $1.50 printable coupons. That'll make it $2.49 for a pack of the burgers. That's a really good deal. Or you could just grab the chicken, which are really good for tacos and other things like chili. Talenti is buy one, get one this week. And on select flavors, we do have some decent Fetch offers. So if you want to try any of these Fetch flavors that have offers back, I think the Hazelnut Crunch and the Paradise Passion Fruit, you can put together a decent deal. So another deal option for your 3 off of 4 Pepsi coupon is this Pepsi Prebiotic Cola. Now, this is one of those things that I can't buy at Publix because Publix normal price is like double what Walmart is charging, which is absolutely crazy. So I would honestly get this at Walmart versus buying it at Publix. But if you do not shop at Walmart, I know a lot of people don't shop at Walmart, then this is an option if you want to pick this product up. So these are buy 2, get 2 free this week, but their price, the base price is $11.59. So you would pick up 4 of them and that would be $23.18. So after the sale, then they get closer to that Walmart price, but their normal price, the regular price, shouldn't be $11.59, but I digress. So then you would use that $3 coupon, and you would also check your Fetch Rewards to see what offers you have back. Some people will have this offer for $2.50 back on a limit of 3. So that'll give you back $7.50, or you might have this spend 3, get $3 offer. So that'll give you back $9 if you have that offer. So then that'll make your final cost for 4 cases $11.18 for all 4, or $2.79 each. Now, when I did this deal using my Fetch Rewards offer, I just went to Walmart and bought one case for $6. I had the spend 3, get 3, so I got the $6 back, and it'll make one case completely free. And these are actually pretty good if you want to try them. If you need jelly, check over in this section. This Welch's Concord grape jelly is only $1.54 on clearance. That's a really good price. This week, the Brawny is buy one, get one for $11.79, and we do have a $1.50 digital coupon in your Publix app. So if you want to pick up 1.5 BOGO, your final price after coupons will be just $4.39. If you pick up 2 in Florida, your final price will be $5.15 per pack. This week, the Dixie plates are buy one, get one for $4.59. So if you want to pick up 2 and then use the 50-cent digital coupon, it'll be $4.09 for 2 or $2.05 each. We also have a $1 off of 10 or $1.50 off of 10 printable coupon if you sign up on their website as well. The Clear All is buy one, get one for $8.78. You can pick up 2 of them for $8.78 and then use this $6 off of 2 digital coupon that'll leave your final price at $2.78 or just $1.39 per box. The thing I'm gonna grab is more of the Tina pads. These are not on sale, but I've been doing this deal for a couple weeks since we got the $4 coupons. So we have $4 digital coupons. Today I'm gonna be using the $4 paper coupons from coupons.com since I've already used my digital coupons. So at the register, I'm gonna have to pay out $2.59, but I'm gonna get back $2.50 from Ibotta, making these only 9 cents each. Now this is supposed to attach to the cheaper Ibotta rebate, but when you scan in your receipt, if you check out on the old system, that $2.50 rebate has been attaching for me, so that's why they're coming out to 9 cents. Next deal we got is on Clorox Scentiva products. These are on sale, these toilet bowl cleaners, for $2.50 this week. We have a $1 digital coupon in our Publix app, and we also have printable coupons on coupons.com if you want to get more than one. That'll make these just $1.50 each. Shout is buy one, get one this week for $4.19. You can pick up 2 of these and then get $1 back on each one over on Ibotta. That'll make it $2.19 for 2 or $1.10 each. Of course, we got a lot of the spray last week. Which brand did we get? I think we got the OxyClean last week. So I don't need any Shout, but this is a good deal if you're brand loyal. Now, one deal I'm not grabbing, I forgot to film this, was on these huge containers of Arm & Hammer. These are buy one, get one this week. And we have 2 different digital coupons that are attaching. If you haven't already used yours, we have one for the liquid and then one for the packs. So both of these are attaching to these huge containers of liquid and will save you $4. So that'll make your final cost for each one of the bottles. So it'll be $10.78 for 2 or about $5.39 each, which is incredible if you do need detergent. So let's talk about the next deal I'm gonna do, which is a stocking spree deal using our 10 off of 40 P&G coupon. Now for this deal, the deal that I had planned out, I was going to be grabbing the Downy booster that should be right here. That's normally $17.69. It's on sale this week for $15.99. It looks just like this. It says like number 26 or number 37. These are $15.99, but we have a very high value $6 coupon that would have worked out brilliantly for this deal. So I'm going to show you what I had planned. I'm going to grab this in place of the big one that should be in this deal. But if you do that deal the way I have it planned out, then grab the big one, of course, instead of this small one. I'm going to end up grabbing something else. I'll show you what I'm going to do as an alternate. And then to go with that, I'm going to grab 3 packages of Bounty that are on sale this week for $11.79. That's how we're going to get to the $50 mark. So the reason I'm focused on the Bounty is because I have this spend 25 get back $5 Bounty offer on Fetch Rewards, but Fetch offers do vary by account, so you want to check and make sure that you have this, because you might want to pick up something else based on your offers. But if you have this offer, this deal works out really good. So we got the 3 packages of Bounty plus the big one of the Unstoppables. Hopefully your store has the big one, so do keep that in mind. That would total us up to $51.36. Now for this, because we have a total of $50 in the P&G products, Both of these coupons that I have up on the screen, the $6 off and the $10 off, should come off, saving us $16 at the register. So that'll put us down to $35.36. Then we'll get back that $5 from Fetch Rewards for the bounty, because of course we have over $25 worth of bounty. This is like $35 worth of bounty. So even after the coupon, you're still over that $25. And you can submit back for the spend 20 get 5 P&G rebate on their site. So that'll give you another $5 back. And you'll also qualify for $10 in stocking spree rewards, because again, this is $51 worth of product. So that is going to be a total of $20 that you qualify to get back, making all of these products just $15.36 for all 4 of these items. That's absolutely incredible. And if you don't have the Fetch offer, the deal is still really good in my opinion, because it would be $20.36 for everything. The price of the beads alone is like $17 normally, so 20 including 3 packs of bounty is still a fantastic price. Since my store does not have that big downy that I need, I'm gonna grab some Dawn instead for my deal. These are on sale 2 for $6, but we do have a 2 off of 2 coupon, and they also qualify for that spend 40 save 10. So I'm gonna grab 3 bottles for my deal. And for the Dawn, I could pick up these right here, I could pick up these right here, or I could pick up the Platinum. I only need like $43 for my next stocking spree reward, because I already have some tracking. So with these items right here, this is actually going to be enough, even though it's not quite $50, for me to get back my $10 from stocking spree. So this totals up to $44.37. I'm going to save about $12 with the digital coupons that we have, and at the register I'm going to have to pay out $32.37, but I'm still going to get back that $5 from Fetch for the bounty. We're still going to get back the $5 from P&G for the spend 20 get back 5, and I'm still going to get back that $10 from stocking spree. So for all of these items, I'm just going to be at $12.37 for everything, which is still absolutely amazing. And we got some good Dawn for our deal. Another really good deal this week is on the Gatorade. So these are buy one get one. These are the 8-pack 20-ounce bottles for $11.49. These count for stocking spree, so if you want to mix the bounty with the Gatorade, this is a good deal as well. And the Capri Suns also count for stocking spree and are buy one get one. So these are additional options that you can use in your stocking spree deal. This is definitely a stocking spree week with all of these BOGOs. And for the Gatorade, we do have a 3 off of 4 coupon, the same one that we used on the Lipton, that applies to these. And we also have a $1 off one if you just want to pick up. So if you just wanted to pick up one of these for $5.74 and half BOGO, use the $1 digital. It'll be $4.74 for one of these 8 packs. That's a really good price. Or if you want to pick up 4 packs and really stock up, after the 3 off of 4 digital coupon for 4 of these 8 packs, it'll be $19.98 for 4 or $4.99 per pack. So this is everything I picked up at Publix this week. After my coupons, my total to pay was $68.19 plus tax. I already got back the $10 from stocking spree. That came back almost instantly. I got back $18.50 from Ibotta. We got back $8 from Fetch Rewards. That was 5 for the bounty and then 3 for the Nature's Own. And we're submitting back to P&G for another $5 as well. So that's going to bring my grand total to this week to $26.69, which is absolutely incredible, because baby, we got 3 packs of bounty included in that mix. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.